y is equal to x 2x minus 3 for x greater than 3 over 2. Show that dy by dx is of the form 3 times ax plus b divided by the square root of 2x minus 3, where a and b are integers. Now, the reason why it says x is greater than or equal to 3 over 2 is if you put this equal to something negative, you can't take the square root. So for any value less than 3 over 2, you're not able to take the square root. Okay, so we've got y is equal to x times the square root of 2x minus 3. This is type uv, where u and v are functions of x. So we're going to have to use the product rule. So let u be equal to x. And if we differentiate u, du by dx will be equal to 1. Let v be equal to the square root of 2x minus 3, which we can write as 2x minus 3 to the power of a half. And then we now have to differentiate that using the chain rule. So it's going to be a half. Write down the bracket, 2x minus 3, reduce the power by 1, a half, take away 1 will make minus a half. Differentiate the bracket to get 2. This 2 here and this 2 here will cancel. And this is why it's always a good idea to write your fractions one above the other. So that becomes 1 over to the minus a half, so it's square root of 2x minus 3. Right, using the product rule, and the product rule says dy by dx is u dv by dx plus v du dx, so that's going to be dy by dx is u, which is x, times dv by dx, which is going to be 1 over the square root of 2x minus 3, times v, which I'm now going to write back in its original format, square root of 2x minus 3, times 1. Tidying that up a little bit, this becomes x over the square root of 2x minus 3 plus the square root of 2x minus 3. What we're going to do is now make a common denominator, because this is over 1, so I'm going to make the common denominator square root of 2x minus 3, which means that will still be x, but this will be square root of 2x minus 3 times the square root of 2x minus 3. Now we know that root a times root a is the same as a, so root 2x minus 3 times 2x square root of 2x minus 3 will become 2x minus 3. Writing that bottom line out again, x plus 2x gives me 3x, and we've still got the minus 3 over the square root of 2x minus 3. There's a common factor of 3 in the numerator. Okay, and that now gives me the final answer, 3 times x minus 1 over the square root of 2x minus 3. So we've got 3 now times a, which is going to be 1, and b, which is going to be minus 1, which are integers, over the square root of 2x minus 3. So we've got the answer in the right format. So this has been a video to show you how to use the product rule when you have a radical function. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.